What up?
Okay.
What else we find? On what number and what number?
This is number 7, the bottom. You can see how it's got wear.
Yeah.
So that's been doing this just a little bit. Nothing major. It's got a little.
Move it.
It's got a little contamination. It's nothing too crazy. Scotty, we'll see you in the morning.
Yes, sir.
And then the same thing with number 3, but number 3 is not too bad. So let's get the.
Okay.
We'll get the pistons out and we'll go from there. Careful. You don't want to spoil the crank. There we go. Okay. Get the dead ball in there. Jesus. There you go. Take a look-see. So this one is number 3. The bearings got a little funky to it, but it's nothing crazy. It's actually really not bad. And number 3, remember, was our strong cylinder, compression-wise. It has hardly any marks even on the side of the piston. Look at that. That's pretty damn nice. But we will see what Brian wants to do, because he is one that will make the ultimate decision on this for the most part. But we can recommend that could probably resize the rods, but if you have to press the pistons off, which you have to resize the rods anyway, you might as well just get new pistons and be done with it, because it's already got to come apart anyway. So the only cost difference is going to be the pistons. But that's a build decision.
Didn't even catch.
Where's that dead ball? Like it.
I was like right in front.
It blends in.
Again? Tough.
Here you go. It's number 7. A lot of carbon. Really not bad at all. Like, I haven't seen anything that's
Like, oh my gosh.
oh my god. Yeah, no. So the bottom end isn't terrible, minus obviously the cooling system side of things. Alright, so we need to do some, get these last 2 out.
And go from there?
We'll pull the mains real fast, and then
Want to be one of them?
we're done.
Yay.
There you go.
Welding.
Yes.